an Amish-owned shop. That's what blows a lot of people away, is like, wait, you're Amish and you do your CNC machining? It's like, so we're excited about continue to grow and partner with more customers. 90% of our customers come to us with a drawing. They know what parts they want, and we just machine it to their specs. Some of them will walk in with an idea. They might have chicken scratches on a napkin, and we'll take it from there. If you have the idea, we'll help you design it. We'll start with the print. This customer came to us with an idea, and I think he had a couple versions of a 3D printed part. So he had a rough sketch, so we refined it. And it's for the marine industry. They use it for like bow fishing. It's a special trolling motor. When people see it, they say, oh, that's a 5-axis part. Like, no, we run on a 3-axis mill, so we're pretty proud of that. There was a lot of refinements done to the whole process to get to what the customer really wanted. So that was pretty satisfying for us. We do prototyping, oftentimes that leads to production, and that's anywhere from 100 parts to 5,000. That's kind of our sweet spot at this point. We're heavily in turning, but we do a lot of milling. 2.5-inch diameter and under is kind of our sweet spot too in turning, and then milling it's 20-inch by 40-inch envelope, whatever we can fit inside there. So a similar situation where the customer came to us and said, hey, we have a vendor to get these made, but they're very expensive and we're not satisfied with the quality. We refined the process, and now they just keep coming to us for those parts. Ultimately, we want to be a trusted supplier. We're not shying away from hiring inexperienced people. Because of my past and how I grew up working with traditional manual lathe, mill, drill press, doing all the manual work, and my dad teaching me, inspires us to train the next generation. So we hire attitude, train the skills. I remember working in that shop as a kid, 5, 6, 7 years old, drilling holes in Dad's machine shop, and he named it Star Machine. And it was never a full-time career for him. So it was always, after hours, Saturdays, evenings, and now it feels like Star Machine is the legacy behind, where it started.